Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Schedule SE in TurboTax. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Navigate to the section for self-employment income. Select the Income tab to begin reporting your earnings. Look for the option labeled Self-Employment and click on it. If prompted, indicate that you are a self-employed individual. Enter your business name and type. Fill in any necessary details about your business activities. Next, TurboTax will ask for your income details. Enter your total income earned from your business for the tax year. After entering your income, look for the option to add business expenses. Input any relevant expenses related to your self-employment. This could include costs like supplies, utilities, or advertising. Once you have entered all your information, proceed to the next step. TurboTax will calculate your net income based on the income and expenses provided. Continue until you reach the section for Schedule SA. Here, you will see a summary of your self-employment tax. Review the calculations to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, proceed to the Filings section. TurboTax will guide you through completing your tax return. Make sure to double-check all information before submitting. Finally, follow the prompts to e-file or print your return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.